Hi, my name is Ed Schulteis. Welcome to my project. Thanks for checking it out. My project is the Aqua Therma Power Pack, and an accessory is the Aqua Therma Radiant Panel. The Aqua Therma Power Pack is a multi-use tool to provide safe, portable heat for various applications. My idea was to simply heat up water in a small water tank and then circulate it throughout the tubing or throughout radiant panels to provide heat to the application where I wanted to put it.
These applications include melting snow and ice on sidewalks and decks, heating soil in raised bed gardens and greenhouses, heating soil in seed germination trays to the optimal seed germination temperature, heating bedding areas for young livestock like young goats, young sheep, piglets, and your pets for optimal comfort and health, de-icing large watering troughs for livestock. This system can be used in your shop for speeding up the curing of adhesives and paints on different projects. You could also use this system in place of heat tape to keep pipes from freezing in your home, basement, or shop, or whatever use you may come up with.
This is the Aqua Therma power plant, and you can see the 4-gallon tank with the water inside of it, and this is the pump motor, and this is the pump itself. Water enters over on this side, out of the tank, comes into the pump, gets pumped out of the pump to the application, and then this is the return line where it comes back to the tank. We can see on the right over here is the electric heating element that sticks up inside of the tank about 10 inches. All we need to do is turn the switch on to the pump and we can hear it start. Now on the temperature controller, there's a digital temperature controller. Coming out the back of here, where you can't see, is a temperature probe that comes around the back side and goes into the tank and down into the tank to constantly monitor the temperature. Water is coming out of the pump, and now I'm simply going to turn it on and you're going to watch water flow. You can see how quickly this tank is emptying. You can see when I hit this that water has a lot of pressure, and also you'll notice here that when the tank level gets down to the sensor, it will shut off so that it doesn't damage the pump. If you look down through this Kickstarter project, you'll see that there are at least 2 more videos. The first one is a detailed video showing the operation and specifications for the Aqua Therma Power Pack, and it shows in detail how it works, the different features on it, and what you can expect out of it. The second video is a detailed description of the Aqua Therma Radiant Panel, and if you check it out, you'll see the construction of the panel and you'll see some various testing that I've done on it. So the next step is to manufacture at least a minimum quantity of these Aqua Therma power packs and radiant panels, and that's where you come in. I really need your support for this project. In order to manufacture this product, I need to get a large enough quantity to get some of the production costs down and to gain some manufacturing efficiencies, and to be able to buy larger quantities of components for the system so that I can get the cost down on these items. If you look off to the right of your screen, you'll see a number of rewards that I'm offering for this project, and keep checking back because I may be adding some more too as the project goes on. But there are various rewards from the smallest amounts of support, which I very much appreciate, to larger levels of support. Since I provide engineering consulting services, several of my rewards include providing 1 or 2 hours of engineering consulting for your own projects. And these are projects that you may be working on that may become a Kickstarter project someday that you may need some technical help on in terms of the engineering, the design, the manufacturing, the production of it, or getting some ideas of how your parts may be manufactured or designed. And I'd be happy to help you out with those and provide my services at a discount for that. I've been a mechanical engineer now for over 27 years. And for the past 15 years, I've provided engineering consulting services under my own company, Schultech Engineering and Technology Incorporated. And during that time, I've consulted with many different companies, large and small, solving a lot of their problems, doing a lot of design and development work, also working on production and taking projects all the way from concept through prototype, through assembly and manufacturing, and then into full production. So thanks for checking out my project. I really appreciate the time that you spent, and I hope that you'll support me.